Today, we're diving into one of the most important topics from the
SAT math.
problem solving and data analysis section, that is probability. We'll break down what probability really means and then solve two SAT-style questions, one basic and one advanced. All right, let's start with what does probability really mean? Probability is just a way to measure how likely something is to happen. The formula is simple. Probability equals number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. For example, if you flip a coin, there are two possible outcomes, heads or tails. The chance of getting heads is 1 out of 2, same for tails. Pretty easy, right? Now let's start with the basic question. The question says, if 1,200 customers register for new accounts at a social media website every day, what fraction of the first 60,000 new accounts are registered in the first 5 days? Let's break it down step by step. Each day, 1,200 new accounts are created. So in 5 days, the total number of new accounts is 1,200 times 5, which equals 6,000. Now, the question asks for the fraction of the first 60,000 accounts that were registered in those 5 days. So, the fraction is 6,000 divided by 60,000, which equals 1/10. That's it, the answer is 1/10. It's option B. That's a straightforward basic probability question. Now, let's move on to a more advanced question. The table below shows 90 participants in a study, grouped by age and category, A, B, and C. We're asked, what is the probability of selecting a participant from Group A, given that the participant is at least 10 years of age? Let's unpack that. At least 10 years of age means ages that are 10 to 19 and 20 or more. So first, let's find how many participants are at least 10 years old. That's 30 in the 10 to 19 range plus 30 in the 20 or more range, giving a total of 60. Now, from Group A, how many are at least 10? That's 17 in the 10 to 19 range plus 8 in the 20 or more range, so 25 total. Now apply the formula again. Probability equals favorable divided by total. That's 25 divided by 60, which equals 5 upon 12. The answer is 5 upon 12, it's option B. And that's it. Now you know how to tackle both basic and advanced probability questions on the SAT math section. If this video helped, like, share, and subscribe for more SAT walkthroughs every week.